Welcome to day 3. So today we are going to connect our Ubuntu machine by using Mobextrim, and we will learn basic commands to operate Ubuntu operating system. So I successfully created Ubuntu machine. Let's take the public IP address in the console, and I can open the Mobextrim and click on session in the left top corner and select the SSH. SSH is a protocol. The full name is Secure Shell, which is used to connect the Linux operating system. RDP, it's a remote desktop protocol, which is used to connect Windows machines. So there is only one tool, Mobextrim, which has a multiple protocols we can connect. So that's why it's a very, very familiar tool. Every DevOps engineer, cloud engineers, and software developers, testers, they will use these tools in the real-time environment. So even you can also start using this tool from today onwards. Let's click on SSH and paste the IP address of the server and click specify username. The username is, I already told you. So the username you can easily identify. Okay. Right click on the machine, and click on connect. And there is a username visible here. So make sure the Linux machine, the username, everything is a lower cases. So now we need to type Ubuntu and go to advanced settings, use private key, click open, and in the download Ubuntu key pair, let's select and click OK. So I'll be directly connecting. So this pop-up will be coming for accepting the connection. So either if you are not accepting, so click cancel. So that means the session will not connect. So once you click accept, the session will get connected. So successfully we connected here. Successfully we connected here. And one more important the feature I'll be explain. So this screen you can switch to two screens, the left and right. The left it's a GUI console. The whatever the Linux machine you connected, that's a complete file system will be visible here. So now presently this cursor, it is an Ubuntu screen, and this is a path /home/Ubuntu. In home, only one user is available. So this is a total number of files in Linux by default. The slash is a root directory, as we discussed. So this screen, right side, it's a completely command line interface. This is the SSH session, and it is a Windows session. It's a Windows session. It's a GUI, graphical user interface. But basically, we should not call it as a graphical user interface. It's a Windows session. It's a directory session. So, but mostly we are working in the command terminal. Let's start here. So by default, the font will be somewhat little. If you want increase the font size, just hold your control key in the keyboard. Just scroll up your mouse how much you want. See how much you want. You can scroll up, scroll down based on your convenient. Next, clear the screen. Clear. Clear. So now the screen will be look like this. We can start. So the first command, it's a clear. So what is the use of clear? To clear the screen and make it empty. Then you can start again to type your commands and you can get the details. So that's the purpose clear. That's only one purpose, to clear the window. If multiple chats, multiple types if you have in the screen, you can clear it. So in the left side, we have seen the directories. So the same directories even you can see in the command line. So what is the command? You can check. The command is ls. ls means list directory contents. So presently in the particular path, there is no such files, no such directories available. So there is no data is available here. Okay. So then I want to change the directory. So presently I'm in Ubuntu. This is a user ID Ubuntu. But in which path in the system file level my prompt is available? I want to check that. So you can run the command pwd. It's a print working directory. So /home Ubuntu. This is the current path. This screen is available right now. So the next command is pwd print working directory. We can list the current working directory location. Current working directory location, this is the one. Okay. Suppose I want to go back to a home directory. Example, particular home directory I want to go. Right now I'm in Ubuntu, right? I want to go back to the home directory. How I can go to change the directory from Ubuntu to home directory? So you can type the command cd. Cd is a command change directory /home. If you type this, hit enter, your console will get changed here automatically /home. So previously it is in /home Ubuntu. Now it will be changed to cd /home. The prompt will be changed to /home. So if you want, you can check the pwd /home present right now. So again, you want to go back to the root directory, cd / and hit enter. Now where you are right now? You are in the root directory. In the root directory, how many directories are there that you want to check? Type ls. You can see all the files are available, like a boot, etc, bin, lib, media, all things are available. Shall I go to library folder? Shall I go to boot folder? So folder, directory, both are same, guys. In Windows, we call it as folder. In Linux, we call it as directory. So shall I go to media directory? Yes, I can go. How can I go? cd /media and hit enter. So right now I'm in media directory. Can I list what are the files in the media directory? No, no data. It's a fresh computer, right? No data is there in media. Is that clear now? Perfect. One step. Okay, I want to go back. I want to go back one step. So that means previous directory I want to go. So that means presently I'm in media directory. I want to go back to the root directory. cd /. That means I'll go to the previous directory. So now I can check the PWD. Now I'm in the root directory here. I'm in the root directory. So again, clear the screen. So ls command, it will display the content. ls command, it will display the content. Okay. But this will be in a horizontal way it is showing. I want to see the data in vertical way and with a long information. So the command is ls space hyphen l. So the long list will be provided, each file, when it is created, and which user has the permissions. It has a read and write and execution permissions are available. The entire information it will be showing in the ls space hyphen l command. ls space hyphen l command. Long list. Even you can use a command ll. Either you can use a ls space hyphen l, either shortcut ll, long list. Both are same. Both are same. Clear screen. So now we are typing ls. Only files will be showing here, but some files are hidden files. Some files are hidden files. How can I check the hidden files in this particular location? ls space hyphen a. So few files will be showing dot, dot, dot. So these files are hidden files, hidden directories. So if you want to check any hidden directories, that you can see the via command ls space hyphen a. ls space hyphen a is a command to check hidden files. Now clear screen. Now again I'm going back to my home directory, Ubuntu directory right now. So next, presently in this particular location, there is no directories are there. Shall I make it a new directory? Shall I create a new directory? Yes, we can create. The command is mkdir, directory name you can provide. Suppose the directory name is new underscore, folder. Mkdir new underscore folder. So now you can type ls, see, new folder is created. Suppose I want to create one more folder, new folder 1, new folder 2, new folder 3. See, you can check ls. These are the folders are created. Shall I remove this directory? Huh? Yes, we can remove. The command is rm. So the directory name. So now cannot remove new folder. Okay, is a directory. Suppose rm dir new underscore folder. So even these commands are not working. So how I can delete? Okay. How I can delete a directory in Linux machine? So what is the command to delete the directory? So basically the command is, the previous command is correct, but I have given a small space. So let me clear the screen first of all. ls rmdir, remove directory, the directory name, space, new folder, it is deleted. You can check. See, only new folder 1 is available, new folder 2 and 3. So the first one is deleted. Same way, you can delete new folder 1, new folder 2, new folder 3. So now I can check, no data here. Okay. So everybody's understand, right? How to delete the directory. So let's create a directory. The directory is a new underscore folder 1 ls. So I'm going to change the directory to the new folder 1. What is the command? What is the command to change the directory to new folder 1? Anyone tell me?
md
cd
cd.
new folder 1. So now I changed this. So presently in the new folder 1, no data is there. Okay. The next concept, I will create a one file. I'll create one file. So to create a file, I use a editor, the editor called Vim editor, Vim. So file name you can provide. Suppose notepad dot txt. This is the notepad file. So if you want to enter anything, it won't allow directly. So press I button in your key, press I button in your key, it will change to insert mode. Then you can type, hi students, okay? How are you? I put some message in the text file. I want to save it. When you want to save, you have to come out of from the insert mode, press escape key, colon, WQ, save and quit, exclamatory mark, colon, WQ, exclamatory, and hit enter. So now can type ls and you can see that notepad.txt file is available. Notepad.txt file is available. Perfect. I want to see the information in the notepad file. I want to see the information in the notepad file. What is the command? There is a command called cat notepad.txt. See, hi students, how are you? This is a message is available. So cat is a command to display the content in the file. Perfect. So now we created a notepad.txt file by using Vim editor. So one more method also is that the method called touch. So I can create a file empty data. So just I'll create a file. Later on I will edit. Suppose notepad 1.txt, enter. It is not open the editor, it just create the file. You can see here ls. Notepad.txt, notepad1.txt, both files are available. Suppose I want to update the information in the notepad 1, I used to use the editor Vim. Vim notepad 1.txt and hit enter, insert and put some information. Hello world, escape, save and quit. Now two files are there. I'm going to check notepad1.txt. Hello world, the message is showing here. Done. So this is the one method. Any other question, please? Okay. Now I'm moving back to the directory. So presently I'm in this location. I'm going back to the Ubuntu cd space dot dot. Now I'm in Ubuntu. You can check here. Now can check this. I'm planning to delete the new underscore folder one. What is the command to delete new underscore folder one? Anyone tell me?
RMDIR
rm dir space
folder name.
folder name.
New underscore.
But fail to remove new folder one directory not empty. So the command rmdir only it will delete empty directory. If any content is inside the directory, it will not delete. So then how you will delete?
RMFNRF.
Yes, rm space hyphen r, the directory name. So rm space hyphen r, directory name, you can delete. Suppose if you want to forcefully, if you want to delete without notification, rf you can provide. Without prompting, you can delete forcefully, you can use the command. So presently I already deleted. Even if you want, you can use the rf also. It's a powerful, but it's a dangerous. Okay. Clear screen. Now presently there is no data. I'm going to create one file, test 1.txt. So I created multiple files. I want to remove the file. How I can remove? The command is rm file name. So when you delete, you need to provide the complete extension also. So you can see here, sorry. See, the test folder was removed. The test file is removed. Only 1, 2, 3 is available. Only 1, 2 is available. The first one is deleted. If you want to remove another one, test1 dot txt, test2 dot txt. So now can check no data is available. Clear screen. So I'll create two directories now. I'll create two directories. mkdir source mkdir destination. So source is a from, destination is a to. So now I'm going to move source directory. I will create some files. Test1 dot txt. Okay. And test2 dot txt. When you want to create multiple files, we can use a touch space file, you can give it. So now you can see there's a two files are there. Now I want to copy these two files to destination directory. How I can copy? So cp is a command. And what's the file? Test1 the txt. So in which location I want to copy? So forward location is destination. So the path you should provide correctly. So path how you can provide? So to present path to where we should go? / home Ubuntu destination. So this location I need to move. So exact directory you need to provide. Once hit enter, now the test1 file will copied. So let me duplicate this window. See, ls destination, right? cd destination. I'll check here. See, test1 file is available. Right now I'm in source. Type ls, test1 and test2. Only a copied test1 file. So here only test1 is copied. Now I want to copy test2. Now test2 also copied. So previously is only one. Now you can check this file also copied. Is that clear? Understand how to copy the file from one location to another location? But I don't want to copy another scenario. I just want to move the file. So let me remove the files. See, I completely removed in the destination. Now I want to move these two files to source to destination. What is the command? mv test1.txt, test2.txt. The destination is home, Ubuntu, destination directory. Hit enter. So now if I put ls empty because I moved it. Moved it means completely data will move. So previously ls, there is no data. Now type ls. The files are copied here. That means moved here. Any other question?
Can we change the names of text files?
Sorry.
So the text file name is test1.txt was there. Can we change that name for the
So change the file name, right? That's your question.
yeah.
Okay, change file name. Yeah, definitely we can do that. Okay. So we can change the file name. So how to change the file name? Very simple command, same mv command. mv, mv, old file name to new file name. Suppose test1.txt to test 01.txt. So previously it's a test1.txt. Now I change to test01.txt. Now I can check ls. Now test1 is not there. It is changed. Okay, clear the screen. So I want to print the message in Linux. Generally, we use command called echo. So what are the message we can put in between the double quotes? Hi Rajesh. So echo is a command to print the value in the terminal. So going forward, echo, this command you will use in the scripting language. In Linux scripting, we will vastly use it. Echo command. Okay, so clear screen, ls. Now these two folders, sorry, these two files are available. We can check that ll long list. These two files read write, read permission is available. Okay. Read write, read permissions are available. So generally the folder permissions, okay, in a three ways. So the folder permissions in three ways. U, it is meaning of user, also called as owner. G means group. O for others. So these are the three people will be there. User, that's a owner. Second, G, group of people, and O, others. So these three people have a permissions. So these three things we called as user types. So permission types also three types will be there. R stands for read. So that means view the content. Okay. View the contents. So that means we can list files in the folder. Next, W. That means write. So we can create, delete, or rename files inside the folder. Inside the folder. Next, X, execution. That means you called as execute. Enter the folder. That means you can do some kind of job. So that means you have to change the directory in it. It is called execute. So these are the main permissions are available. So here you can see this D, R, W, X, R, W, XR, something is there, right? So you can check this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, first will be resort for directory. So then hyphen means it's a file. After 9 count, so 3 count for user group others. So first will be user. User has a RWX group, RWX, O, RWX. Such a way the value will be there. See here D, it's a D means directory. RWX means for user has read permission, write permission, execution permission. Then again, RWX. So this for group. Group also read write access. Then O, last three, R hyphen X. R means read permission. Second, hyphen means no permission. Last X is a execute permission. So this will be there. So like that here, folder, read write for user, read write for group, only read for others. So that's the way these permissions are defined in the Linux machine. Defined in the Linux machine. You're getting my point? Any questions here? No?
I see.
Yes, Lakshman.
Yeah, is it possible to enable permission give particular folder? If
Okay. So mkdir, the directory name is demo ll. So the demo is a directory. So that's why it starts with the D, RWX, RWX, R-X. Okay. Suppose if you want to provide the permissions, so there is some calculation is there. Some calculation is there. So the calculations I'll tell you. So going forward also multiple times I will tell. Don't worry. Okay. R equals to value is a 4. W equals to value is a 2. And finally, X value equals to 1. So anybody can tell me RW means how much value? RW means how much value?
It's 7, Rajesh.
R plus W, how much? 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Okay. And RX means how much value?
5.
5. RWX value equal to
7.
7. Beautiful. Okay. So now,
7.
yes. So now we will provide the demo. We'll provide the demo. Okay, we'll provide the demo permission. Full permission for user, full permission for group, full permission for others. But actually, for demo, already RWX is already is there. Only we need to provide for others. Shall we do? How I can provide permission?
Change mode.
So chmod, the command, chmod 777, Charlie 777. Okay, 777, the folder name. Enter. So now you can check LL. The demo, the values changed. That's a behind secret. So what is meaning of 777? What is meaning of 755? So these are the values behind the permissions are mapped. Understood? So by using the change mode command, you can change the value based on your requirement, read, write, execution permissions. Let's start with your questions.
By using cat command also we can create a file, right?
Sorry?
By using cat command.
Sheikh, right? You're talking? Sheikh?
Yes. By
Okay.
using cat command we can create a file, right? Cat space greater than text1.txt.
Get, yeah, we can do that. We can. Yes, we can do that. Okay, let's clear the screen. So I want to check the disk space usage. So the command is df space -h. So disk space usage by using this command. So you want a disk usage by the user, like example, du hyphen sh/home/ubuntu. This much data it is using by the user. A specific user, how much content it is used, that we can check. So now we have a lot of files are there. You want to find the file. That means you want to search the file. The command is find space /name, and you can provide the file name here in this text. Test01.txt. If you hit enter, it will check and it will display the content. So here it is available, the data. The data is available in the destination. Test01.txt file is available. So if you have a permissions, it will display maybe other area. Few areas I don't have permissions. I already told you. So if you want the permission, how you can get it. So clear
Can
screen.
you show me the file command?
Sorry.
Can you show me the find command?
This is the command. Find space /name and file name. Don't worry. This entire notes you will get it. Okay. The entire notes I'll get it in the GitHub after this class. Just wait. Okay. Now I have a test one. Just I want to put some data. Okay, I want some data. So I'll put here. Let's take data from internet. insert, copy, and escape, save, and quit. So now if I go here, cat test01.txt, these are the hero names are available. Hero names are available. Okay. So now I want to search a text, okay, in this particular area. How can I check that? So the command is grep So the command is grep. And which file you want to check, which name you want to check, the text you want to check. Example, the name is Ajit. Okay, the name is Ajit. What is the file name? test01.txt. In this particular file, I need to check. There's the two cinema actors, Ajit and Ajit Kumar, are available in this list. You can check this. Ajit and Ajit Kumar is available. Clear? That is the meaning of grep. So if you need a process status, what are the processes are running, you can check the command ps aux command. These are the processes. It will show you. These are the processes will show you. So the list of processes, some jobs will be running here. So the process will be showing here. Suppose if a specific the process ID you want to terminate, you can use a command till the number you can provide. That process will get down. I don't want to stop it right now. So if you want, you can stop that one. The particular process ID you can type here. Suppose 1790. So now this is a process EX. It will be started here and hit enter. No such process is done. It's a dummy process actually. That's what I just shown here. The next clear screen. You want to see the real-time system monitoring. The command is stop command. So present system monitoring, it will be showing here. CPU utilization, memory utilization, live data, it will be showing here in this. Okay, these are live data. It will be showing in this particular screen. Clear screen. Suppose there is a sum. You can see this. These are the data is available. I want to download some information from internet. I need some information from internet. I want to download it. Yes, you can download. But how can you download? This is actually, it's a terminal. If it is a browser, we can go and we can paste and we can download the data. Yes, we can download the data. So first, you can go to some page where you want. Suppose there is a file name called Tomcat. This is a zip file is there. This is a tar.zip file. This file I want to download. Can I click here? When I click here, this address will be, it will downloading the file. But this is downloading in my Windows PC. I don't want that. So this Apache Tomcat 9.0.104.tar.zip file, I don't want in the Windows system to download. I need to download this complete data in my, okay, in Linux PC. How? The command is wget command. Wget and copy paste that address and hit enter. Now it will download. So now type ls. See, this file is downloaded successfully from internet. This file is download from internet. So next, clear screen. There's just some website is there. I want to check whether the website is reaching from this machine or not. It is able to connect or not. Yes, we can check the command curl space https:// google.com. Yes, this page is accessible. If it is not accessible, it will be throwing an error. So the command is curl. Done. So clear screen. So type ls. Now this is a zip file. I want to unzip. How can I unzip that file? The command is star space hyphen xvzf. The particular file you need to provide Apache Tomcat, the file, and hit enter. That complete file will get unzipped. Now clear screen. Type ls. You can see this is a zip file. This is a directory. The content, everything will be copied here. Suppose now I change the directory to Apache and hit enter. I can type ls. See all the files available in this particular directory. This is unzipped directory. This is a unzipped directory. cd space dot dot. I'm back.
Can you show me the
Tell me. Clear screen. So previously we have seen the editor, Vim editor, right? One more editor also is there, nano editor. Suppose here is a file is there, right? test01.txt. So we can use the command nano 01.txt. You can check this. This is a nano editor. This is a nano editor. Control X means moving out from the file. So one is a Vim editor, another one is a nano editor. So as of now, I run multiple commands. If you need that information, history, almost exactly 50 commands I typed. Actually, I was not planned. So as of now, I run approximately, I typed maybe multiple times also I typed the commands. So 50 times I run the commands in this terminal. After I started logging in this PC, so I typed 50 commands. That's it for today's class. So thank you for joining. Okay. So please practice. I'll post this video in our YouTube channel, and regarding the commands, the notes also, I'll be paste the below of the video in the description. You can check the commands from the GitHub link. Thank you.